And this is in a very heavily populated area. So I just want to show you all the difference that you can expect. You know, I did my max range test in the middle of the open field, but I'm telling you, it's totally a different story when you're out there in your town or around a bunch of houses. So now we're coming up on, we'll be at 1,000 soon. Really not a whole lot of wind this evening. So here we're coming up on 1,000 feet. Still good latency wise. I'm just gonna keep panning it back and forth slowly to get a feel for what everything's doing, see if it chops out at all. So far so good. 1,200 feet. And this is on 5.8, as you can see at the top right corner of the screen. I'm going to take it up to about 300 feet. See if we can get a bar back. There we go. So up at 200 feet, get it up a little higher. Now we're 2,000 feet away. That's actually not too bad. It's heavily congested here. I'm starting to get a little bit of hiccups. Crank it into sport mode. It's a beautiful night. It looks so cool with all these lights. So now we're coming back up on 2,000 feet. Still good. I'm telling you what, this thing's pretty impressive. This is with no range extender at all right now. I really think this thing definitely gets better range than the Spark. Take it up to around 350. There came our bar back. Look at that. Haha. Cool. A little gas station down here. So let's go head back to that home point. And that home point is exactly what you want to head towards. You can see that arrow changing directions there. So head directly back to your home point, and this thing will always get you where you need to be. Easy as that. So you had 3,000 to 3,500 feet in cities or places with lots of different houses or trees in the way, and then you're looking at 1,000 to 1,200 or more feet when you're out in the middle of open fields. So yeah, I hope you all have a good evening, and I hope maybe you learned something or just got something out of this video. Also down there in the bottom left hand corner, that power, that means how much throttle you're putting on. So if you're full throttle, you're going to be looking between 90 and 95% power. Start to back it off to 3/4, and it's going to drop down on you. Even when you're at a hover, you're going to be at like 50 to 60% though. Y'all have a good night. CJ Moto out.